said that we have to go to sleep. So we went to bed and then he went to sleep and then we got back up. So yeah, and I'm here with my half brother Roddy. What's up? And we are going to see what happens at 3 a.m. So I'll see you guys when that happens. Okay guys, I'm back and it's 3 a.m. We'll see what happens. Okay, turn this around. No, wait. Sorry guys. Let me turn around the camera.
Musicians like Bob Dylan and Joan Baez, playing guitars and singing like prophets. The times they were.
What was that?
The class, they are sleeping. It's not your fault, Dad. It's just.
I just heard a noise.
I'm talking about the 60s, man.
It goes like this.
Nobody cares about when we're our age.
I heard it. But it didn't sound like it. It sounded like it was right. Oh, and we're playing Roblox. Lucky Blocks. Oh gosh.
Future class. Now give something to use. Listen, Dad, you're doing a
So
wonderful job up there, and we're very happy you're all dressed up. But history has nothing to do with us.
I'm gonna snap this chalk now.
Okay, guys. What was that?
I think I
What was that? What noise?
Great
No.
day.
What the?
It's history.
What was
Every
that?
decision
I have
you
no
make
idea.
every day. Every time you decide to turn left instead of right, you make history. As if you affect someone else's. And if you refuse to learn that, I guarantee you, you guys will not become the best person you can be. Because history is all about missed opportunities.
I'm done. I'm done.
Remember, 5 minutes ago.
I'm done.
Fine.
I'm serious,
I'm not gonna
guys.
teach you guys
I'm not
about
lying.
the 60s.
It's not a lie. I'm serious.
History is alive, even if you know you're gonna visit the 1960s and
How
get
long
the
is
reports.
it? 20 minutes, freaking 2 minutes.
How do we do that, Dad? We were there.
I'm gonna look outside.
You were. How? You all had grandparents or great-grandparents. Choose one who was around during that time. Learn all you can about them and report back. Then we'll see if history
Oh, you guys can see.
living history.
I'm done. What the heck? What the heck is happening? I'm not lying. It's actually 3 a.m., guys. Oh my gosh. Wish I had. Oh, wait a minute, guys. Let me do something.
You're a new
Flashlight.
place. So are you. But everything's new to me. The people, the places,
Wait,
the whole
what's wrong?
scene. And
Oh, flashlight.
first
Okay.
time you ever said that, isn't it? I practiced the
Why
way
is it
here.
flashlight?
Let me
Because where I can see.
I think you immediate twat. What does that mean? I don't know. I made it up. Well, here's what I want you to make up for me. A hot chocolate with extra whipped cream because I'm dangerous. You got any
Sorry, guys. I'm just trying to figure out.
Rosie McGee. Lex Morris. Ginsburg. Nice to meet you, Rosie. What's the picture for? For the moment we first met. I'll get you hot chocolate, McGee.
Guys, I can't button flash.
But have we met before? Haven't we
Okay. So, this is crazy. I'm not lying. This is serious. Oh my freaking